Drone Racing League consists of the 3 high schools, Wilson High School, Churchland High School, and Norcom High School. And we've developed a 2-week camp where the kids will come in and participate in semi-building a racing drone. And they're also going to learn some different techniques on how to become better pilots. So for the last couple of days, they've been learning how to hover, they've been learning how to land, and today they've been learning 2 different skills, which they've been actually trying to complete an obstacle course. And they also have been learning how to use and fly a drone through the FPV goggles, where they're not flying it through line of sight, but actually through some goggles.
It's really fun to fly drones. What we're learning today is doing obstacle courses. We're learning how to go in movement and knowing how to go in on almost like a VR headset, but we're learning on like a radio system, going to a connection of the drone to a headset. I like having fun and just flying drones because I have 2 drones and I know how to fly like regular drones with a camera on it, but like a huge camera. But for racing drones, it's very small and specific how you go up and down, because too much power of the speed will make you go up and fall.
Target. Dude, that is sweet.